So in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix laptop plugged in but not charging. Now, if you actually plugged in your charger and your laptop is showing charging but it is not adding up, then you need to watch this video to the very end. So let's say you plugged in your charger to your PC and it is showing charging but not adding up. You need to make sure that it is well plugged to your PC, and if it is well plugged to your PC yet the issue persists, this is what you can easily do. You need to come right here on your device and type in window X. Go ahead and type in window plus X. So when you type in window plus X, this is what you're going to see on your PC. So right here you need to go ahead and click on device manager. Now this might actually be an issue that usually results due to, let's say you resetted your PC. That is when you might be having this issue. If you reset your PC, you might start having this issue, and in order to fix it, this is what you can easily do. So right here where you can see batteries, you need to expand that section like this. So looking right here, you can see where it says Microsoft ACPI complaint control method battery. You need to click on that like this. Right click on it. Now when you right click on it, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on uninstall device. You can see that uninstall device right here. So when you click on that, looking here, you can see where it says uninstall. You need to go ahead and click on uninstall like this. So once you're done with that, right here as well, you can see where it says Microsoft AC adapter. You need to go ahead and right click on that as well. Then come right here and click on uninstall device and click on uninstall as well. Then go to this one as well, right click on it, click on uninstall device, then come here and click on uninstall. So once you're done with this, the next step you need to take here is to move out from this section. Go to the Windows section like this on your device, click on the power button like this and click on restart and restart your device. So once you do this, the window is actually going to automatically reinstall them, and this is actually going to help you to fix this problem. So if this issue actually persists, you should consider changing your battery or changing your charger. So this is how simple it is to fix this problem. Hope you found this video helpful. And like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.